Deep in the Scenic Rim bushland on the Bow Desert Boona Road lies southeast Queensland's first dedicated trail bike facility. It's Queensland Moto Park, and it's a little slice of heaven for any off-road motorcyclists. Let's go check it out. QMP has 50 kilometres of trails with 11 specific short tracks to suit everybody, from complete beginners to some of the most well-known heroes of dirt bike riding. Now, on site are designated coaching areas. There is also acres of camping facilities, hot showers and a cafe. Guys, I've just been on the side-by-side here at QMP. Ray has just taken me around the course and oh my God, if you are looking for an adrenaline rush, then do this. It is absolutely insane, but it is such a good time. So guys, make sure you head on down to QMP the next time you are around. It is such a good day out. See you soon.